Hey, do you guys want to see my latest project or endeavor that I'm trying to tackle? Basically, I'm going from a paper calendar where I color code all the things to digital. And I'm nervous because digital hasn't worked for me in the past, but I'm hoping this new system that I'm trying to do will work, because then Casey can see everything on the Google Calendar on his phone, and I can make multiple things. I don't have to keep writing it over and over. I can do like recurring scheduling, right? So what I needed was a big space to display my calendar. So, okay guys, so this is kind of what I'm talking about. Basically, what we've done is we've taken an old computer, monitor and, computer system all in one, and we rotated it to be portrait mode. Casey has hung it very securely on the wall. And then online, I created this, and I'll show you what platform I decided on. And then we're going to frame it out. So this will go all the way across, and then there'll be another piece that will cover this, and it's gonna look hopefully like a picture just hanging on the wall. And then this is on all this. It cut me off, but basically this will stay up all the time. And so basically I have the date, the time, the weather. This is my daily schedule, and then my monthly calendar, which will keep rolling. And then you can decorate it with little widgets or whatever you want. You can add more widgets. This is just all I wanted. I just want my calendar. So basically, long term, if this works for me, I would rather buy a bigger computer monitor that's touchscreen, so then you can touch it and you can enter in new things in the calendar. But for now, I just wanted a free option, and so I'm going to try it out.